back. Nah, just banana. Oh yeah. When that nigga pull up on me, tell that nigga back. Don't you know all of these niggas wish to take her back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top down AC with the cooling system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He pop bottles and he got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell. He always in the air, but he never fly out. He a mother drip, drip, sell her all the drip, drip. When he make it drip, drip, kiss him on her lip, lip. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, you'll get slapped if you're looking. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my, you're like pelican fly. I mean, you're so shy, and I'm loving your tie. You're like slicker than the guy with the thing on his eye. Oh, yes I did, yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I met them dudes up. That hoops up, but y'all use them.
Time to have you lurking. You make a like, man, you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody touched me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had. Something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and hell nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. There's something about that work, 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 work. Na 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 na. you see is true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby.
Back in the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah, yeah. I do what I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah, yeah. The first nigga play on my body, a nigga. I just check my balance, I probably pull up to your hood and come buy me a nigga. You know what your hoe told you, that nigga crazy. Don't think she lied to you, nigga. We hit these out with your hoe and I'm popping them both. Now they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Say I'm the dope, act like I don't know. But fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go eat the bank. Take out 100 to show you my pockets are different. I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge. She got a little mileage, I'm chillin'. You disrespect me and I beat you, I step all in front of your partners and children. I'm the type and that nigga think that I'm broke until I pop out with $1 million. Take 20K and put that on your head and make one of your partners come kill you. Say fucking with me, then he gotta grow up. This nigga gotta be kid. This shit can't fit in my pocket. I got it like I hit the lottery, nigga. Slap the shit out of nigga, no talking. I don't like to argue with nigga. I just don't. Ain't gon' be no more laughing. You see me whip out, cause I'm gon' be the shot me a nigga. I don't follow no bitches on IG, but all of your bitches, they following me. Little nigga ain't gon' shoot shit with that gun. He just pull it out in his pictures. Hit the shot. Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah, yeah. I do what I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah, yeah. I do what I want.
So you guys, I've been having the hardest time trying to do these flat twists with my hair. So I think I might have found a way. So basically I took this very top half, like right where pretty much my closure ends. So right there. And then I'm gonna split these two in half. This is just my way of doing it for now, because girl, I could not do it the other way. So basically I just make a little twist and then I'm just gonna twist the hair, but just make sure you keep the twist tight. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a rubber band at the end of it. I'm gonna twist it one more time, and then I'm gonna take a red rubber band, since I have red on, red rubber band, and really just because I can't find any other rubber bands. And then I'm gonna put a rubber band at the end of this part, just so I could keep the twist in place. And like I said, this would be so much easier if I didn't have nails on. And then I'm gonna pull this back like such, and I think I want it to be like right around here. All right, so that's how I got this side. Boom. So that's the way to do it, because trying to do it just the regular flat twisty way with this hair was not working. This hair is way too straight. So boom, that's secure for now. I'm like, cause girl, I want to do this hairstyle, like I'm not gonna leave it in a middle part like that. No. You guys try it this way and see if it's easier for you this way too. But this is just the way that I find it to be easier for me. Because I honestly was sitting here for a long time, y'all, just trying to do these little twists. Because I keep seeing this hairstyle and it's super cute and I've been wanting to do it. And I thought this would be cute for like a closure unit, because, you know, you really only need so much. And it's like another way to wear your closure wigs, you know, like
if you don't want to wear it in the middle part all the time, basic, this is another cool way. Oh, I forgot to put my rubber band on. See, I'm over here talking to y'all. So now what I'm going to do is take both of the twisties and then I'm going to put them together by putting the rubber band around the ends of both of them. And then typically you would want to do this with black rubber bands if you are going to try this at home, but I could not find my rubber bands. I only found like my colorful pack, so that's why I decided to just go ahead and use the red ones. But definitely use black when you do it on yourself, so that way you won't be able to see it. But yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. Realistically, like I said, if you are going to do this hairstyle and you're going to do this method with the little twist, just do it and use black rubber bands. I'm only using the rubber bands specifically for me because this wig, I'm not able to put the bobby pins or these little hair clips underneath, like through the tracks. So because of that, and there's like no net, like it's not like a net to where there's like holes and I can just stick it through the holes. Like I can't do that. So that's the reason why I decided to use a rubber band, and you guys might find it easier to just use a rubber band. That's how I got the look, you guys. I think it turned out really great and I am in love with this hair, you guys. So you guys, this is a 5x5 HD wig from YWigs, and I freaking love this wig, you guys. Like, I've worked with YWigs plenty of times in the past, but I've never reviewed an HD lace wig from them. This is real HD lace. I did notice there was like one section on the side where the lace was missing or something, like the frayed part had got cut off or something. I don't know what happened there, but I want to say that I freaking love this hair. Like, look how bomb the hair is. The only thing that I would say that I'm not a big fan of with this unit is just the density. I wish that this unit was a little bit thicker, but I do still like it because it is like a more natural type of density. The quality of this hair though, you guys, is freaking A1. But this is all of the hair up front. Like, I have the hair split down the middle. This is how much you get on this side. This is how much you get on this side. So it's not very full, but it is a natural density. It still looks very nice. And then look at the lace though. Can we get into this lace though, and the parting? Like, I didn't use anything to fix my part, and girl, she's looking good. Like, I absolutely love it. And you guys, I have been loving this flat iron. So if you guys are interested in this flat iron, I will leave a link for it down below if you guys are interested in it. It is literally my new favorite flat iron. I love this freaking thing. And I also like that it has like these metal plates that also come out on the outside. The only downside to that is that you have to be very careful that you don't burn your finger when you're doing the trace method, because I definitely did burn my finger the first time that I used this. But other than that, it goes up to 450 degrees. It's a titanium plate flat iron. It's absolutely amazing, and I have a discount code for you guys. So if you guys are interested, you guys can get this for $58 when typically it retails for $200. So definitely might want to hop on that. But yeah, I do like the fact that the plate comes outside of the flat iron. You know, normally the plates are only on the inside, and the reason why I like that is because if you want to flatten this out, you know, you can use this side of it to flatten it out, and it has that on the ends. And then also, if you want to curl your hair, it's great for curling because it has a place on the outside, so you're curling everything perfectly. So I love that about this flat iron. But I will say, like, I've worked with YWigs so many times in the past, but they have definitely stepped up their game, because typically when I work with them, I review like their colored hair. In my opinion, I feel like they make some of the best like colored wigs, but I will honestly say, like, this is some of the best hair that I've received from them, and I've been getting really lucky like with the hair lately. I can honestly say that I've been receiving some fire ass units, like, and this wig is no exception. Like, the lace is amazing, like, period. The quality of the hair is beautiful. I went ahead and I bumped the ends a little bit so it has a little bit more character to it. But like I said, you guys, I honestly really do like this hair. If you guys are interested in this unit and you want to check it out, this is a authentic HD lace wig. I can confirm that. I can genuinely confirm that this is an HD wig. I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor today for sending over this beautiful lace wig, HD lace wig at that. Okay, period. We bringing in quality, only the best for the best. A lot of these companies are finally bringing good quality HD lace wigs to the game. I'm excited about it. I really need an HD lace front wig though. Like, I'm cool with the closure units, like, that's cute and everything. This one was definitely a surprise. I didn't even know it was going to be HD until I literally took it out of the package, and I was like, what the heck, like, is this another HD lace wig? Like, and it was. But I do want a, you know, lace frontal. This is a closure unit. And I did also just want to bring this to you guys because I've seen this hairstyle around, and I think this will be perfect for your closure unit if you guys want to like spice it up a little bit. I know so many of us have closure wigs and we just feel so lost. Like, we're just like, what else do I do with this wig? Like, you want to tilt it off to the side and do a side part. Put it down the middle. Put crimps in it. Color it, put some blonde highlights right here, put a bunch of blonde highlights all over the place. It's so many different looks that you can do with a closure unit, so don't feel limited. Try this look out for yourself, and hopefully the method that I did helped you guys out if you've been having a hard time doing the flat twist, because I'm not gonna lie, I was having a hard time. And I have nails on. I think this is perfect for the holidays. Definitely a great Christmas Day type of look. So I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor for sending over this beautiful HD 5x5 closure lace wig. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I want to give a big thank you to all of my new subscribers, all of my returning subscribers, for constantly just showing me love every week.